Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is the 13th of March of 2021, and we are back for another stream. And we have a free button today because Grandpa's iPad gifted some subs last night when I wasn't wearing buttons, so free button. How y'all doing today? I'm planning to do a little bit of open source stuff. I have like one or two things in my inbox to get through. Okay, the volume's working. Why is the music so quiet? Oh, there we go. That's better. And then we're going to be working on some pre-commit.ci stuff. That is the plan for today. For those of you that didn't catch the stream last night, did anyone clip the what the fuck? Oh, that's from. I was like, why is there a little blinky cursor on Chrome? But no, it's the cursor back here. I also started the bot slow, so I missed the first people. I don't know why, but I was like all over the place getting stream started today. But did somebody clip the regex puzzle last night? Oh, somebody clipped the beginning. Did anyone clip the end? Did anyone clip the finished version? But anyway, we finished this regex puzzle last night. It was amazing. I really, really enjoyed this. Which actually I think the today still links to it. So if you want to try it out, you can do that. So today, missed open source stuff, and then working on pre-commit.ci. But yeah, that was the thing. Anyway, let me say hi to everyone, and then we'll jump into it. Looks like Beldathis was first today. So much for retiring, Beldathis. Jeez. And Michaela is here. James Boyne is here. Friend left by the speaker. Good to see you again. You're no match for me, silly, not a cat, Michaela Fox. Wait, are you a cat, Beldathis? Sarcastic Dante. Oh, those are some cute emotes. Those are new. Welcome, welcome. Lack sleep because birds tripping right outside my window, plus those loud freaking motorcycles, plus my own incompetence is all combining to just drive me crazy today. Oh my. That's unfortunate. So, I thought that I had a bit of peace and quiet today for like the first time in weeks. I guess they don't work on Sundays, but I thought they weren't doing construction today. It turns out they were just late. So they're out there. The machines are beeping and buzzing away. So we've got RTX voice on. So hopefully you don't hear them. But they're very loud. I'm slowly losing my mind. But anyway. Coran PL, hello, hello, good to see you. Black Tomcat, how's it going? Hey people, indeed. Yeah, I got a haircut. It's actually the third stream with the haircut, but I know the other streams don't work well for your time zone from that by the speaker, but it's all good. It's all good. Yep, I decided to finally go and say fuck it. It was getting too long. It was getting to the point where I could put the front of my hair in my mouth. So that's too long for me. I got it cut. But yeah, presumably I don't have COVID. I guess I don't know. And yes, we've got plushies today, as usual. K-Merc, hello, hello, welcome to the stream. JB Pratt, how's it going? Was I first on the bot? You were first on the bot, but I also started the bot late, rollers. So it's a cheaty. Hey, what's up, Metabytes? Hello, hello. Corampiel says, by the way, in the code, I noticed you've been looking for someone with an M1 machine for this issue of Shellshock Pi. Did you find anyone? I did not. My friend has one, I think. The other maintainer of Shellshock Pi has one. But I don't. And I don't know anyone that does other than them. Although, did they quit their job? I forget. Maybe they don't have one now. I don't know. I don't know the answer there. Stupid loud tours instructors. Yeah. I noticed the haircut on explains videos. Oh yeah, that's true. The YouTubes have also gotten one or two videos with the shortened hair. I have not recorded in a while, so I don't really have any. I don't have any content to go up today or tomorrow. I'm hoping to record some stuff tomorrow for Anthony Explains. We will see, but I haven't done that yet. Plasma orbs. Hello, hello. Good to see you behind the horizon. Who says Heil? Or hey? Oh wait, I read that completely wrong. Hello, hello. Shit. I can try and install this package. Let's see what happens. Cool. Sounds good. Well, that was some misreading there. It's a bang, not an L. Okay. Let's see. I did do one. Whoa, 4,200 closed pull requests. It's kind of nutty. This doesn't include private pull requests or private pull requests at companies I don't work at, so the number would be a lot bigger. But I did do one open source thing since last time, which looks like they posthumously attributed a internal ticket for. Holy fuck, 298,000 tickets? But anyways, I was looking at this package for work and trying to figure out a bug in it. Because, surprise, surprise, it has a bug. And I noticed they're using pre-commit, and so I was like, oh, well, what is in their pre-commit config? And I was like, oh god, what are they doing? This is just wrong. So I went and like fixed up their exclude, and then I was like, oh, well, they don't need this anymore, so it's obsolete. Oh, but they need to upgrade iSort, so I'll upgrade iSort. Oh, and they're using a version from like 2017, so I guess I'll update them there. Oh, right, shit. Flakegate moved, so I gotta move that there. And I upgraded the version on PyUpgrade. Interestingly, I don't think they're taking advantage of most of PyUpgrade. But anyway, did that, reran the linters. I've got police outside. That is a new one. But yeah, so I did that off stream. Norwegian for hello. Indeed, indeed. Cool. By the way, tomorrow is Pi Day. There's a fun game thing on the Google Calculator about it. Google Calculator? Do you like Snowflake? I've literally never used it. I have no fucking idea about it. I was just fixing it because Stripe uses it at work. I celebrated Pi Day 12 hours ago. Nice. Nice. Yeah, Pi's pretty good. I don't know that I'm gonna have any Pi this year on Pi Day. We'll see. Finally built my iris board. Is this a Keeb? That looks pretty nice. That looks pretty nice. What is this? Oh, external SSD. Cool. Neat. Looks nice. Good choice in keycaps. Good colors there. Oh, this is the thing to wire the two PCBs together. I see. Cool. Google Pi. Sparkly. Wait, what happens if we do here? Oh. Oh, but I already have a whole bunch of digits memorized. This is just gonna take forever. Why can't I just skip ahead to all the digits that I know? 3.14159265358979323846264338332 7950 something. Yeah, there's no hardcore mode. I wonder if it just stops after it overflows. So this isn't actually Simon Says for me. This is, I know a whole bunch of fucking digits. I kind of want to see if it stops at some point. Stops when it gets to the end of pi. Right. 159265 and 35. How many digits do you know? At some point I knew like 60-ish. I think it's right around like 45 though. It's the ones that I know consistently. What the fuck? Oh my god. I thought the dot was assumed. Shit. I gotta start over. Oh wait, it's not doing it anymore. Fuck. Okay. Why is it? Wait, I can't play again? Oh, I gotta click the button. I understand. Now this is content, keep going, yeah. Hey, what's up, Lexicon? Hello. Good to see you. Oscar Rowan, welcome back. L'Assault, how's it going? Yeah, I fucked up. I I wish there was like a let me skip ahead button. 1 for 1. If I had a number pad, I could probably do it faster too. He didn't memorize it because he didn't know to create constants. No, we did it. So this is my friend and I made a website for the school, and we wanted an Easter egg on it. So what we did is we made this page. So the theme of the page was like this hideous green color, because that was the school colors. And on one of the pages, there was a little square that was a green color that was not quite the right green. And if you clicked on the green square and typed in the first, I think it was 15 digits of pi or something, then you launched up this like Easter egg thing. Also, my friend and I in since 6th grade knew that there was this 8th grade math teacher that would give you a bunch of extra credit points if you memorized 50 digits of pi. And so we memorized it like 2 years early. And then by the time we got to 8th grade, the instructor had retired. 141592653 had retired, so we didn't even get our extra credit for memorizing all the digits, which I thought was bullshit. 92653 I wish we could speed it up too. Oh, maybe it does speed up. 14159265358. 3.14159265358.9. Can you not just use your numpad? Yeah, which numpad? Right? 3.14159265358.97. Imagine not having numpad, yeah. Quality content. Yeah, we're gonna fucking get this until the line goes or something. I don't know. 14159265358.979. 3 2 3 8 4 6 2 6 4 3 3 8 3 2. Yeah, we could go for a while. I kind of want to see what happens when it wraps. 14159265358.979. 3 2. Oh. Best Python programming. Okay, we'll go until it gets to the end. I just kind of want to see. 9265358.979. Or if I misclick. If we misclick, we'll stop. But if you know 18 digits, you can measure the circumference of the universe. 14159265365358979. 3 2 3. You can measure the circumference of the universe to the accuracy of a proton with 18 digits. So everything after that is just pure fuckery. 14159265358979323. 14159265358979323. 4626433832. Okay. I imagine it works like it's typing a super long number in the calculator normally. 14159265358979323. 89793238 or 626433832. Do you know about import math? I do, Arthena. 14159265358979323. Just type pi. Yeah, right? That's what we're doing, Oscar Allen. 3.141592653589793238462. We'll go to 30. I think 30 is enough. This takes so long to enter. I wish there was just like a skip ahead button. 3.14159265358979141592653588979. 141592653588979. Why am I suddenly forgetting the next number? 141592653588979. 323 23 79323846264. Okay. Typing this so many times and like I'm suddenly forgetting it now. Chat now has Pi memorized to about 20 digits. Yeah, there you go. 14159265358979323846264333832. That'll get us to 29, right? Compelling content, right? 141592653589793238462643338. 32384626433. I don't think we'll stop anytime soon. Maybe they saved a bunch of digits just for the fun of it. Yeah, we'll get to 30. We'll get to 30. That's our goal. 141592653588979932384626433. We'll stop at 30. I promise. We'll stop at 30. Then we'll write some code. What if it ends at 31? No. We're getting to 30. That's where we're stopping. 14159265358979323846264333832. And on the 30th digit is 7. I wonder if there's a similar effect to semantic satiation where working through a memorized thing repeatedly makes you begin to doubt or struggle with it. Yeah, I think it actually kind of is metabytes. 159265358979323 14159265358979323846264333832. One more. Stop at 42. No, we're gonna stop at 30. Sarganil says, "What are you working on?" Just doing this silly meme right now. 141592653588979. 141592653588979. 1415926535889799323846264333832. Okay, we did 30. That's enough. That's enough. That's stupid pi digits. Yeah. The next number is 9, by the way. Yeah, see? 9. But anyway, I know a lot of pi. This is honestly relaxing to watch. You cut off your hairs. That's right, Raisin. I did cut off my hairs. They were driving me a little fucking bonkers, so I decided to... well, I went to a place and they went shoot, but same idea. Brings me back to 5th grade when my teacher made me memorize 50. Yeah, I actually just told a... Well, I know, you were here when I told the story, right? My friend and I in 6th grade knew that a teacher was going to give extra credit to memorize 50 in 8th grade, but they retired before we got there. So that was our second reason for well, we memorized, I think it was 30 for the Easter egg and then 50 for the extra credit. But anyway, but yeah, that wraps up all of the open source stuff I did since last time. Oh, did I delete this branch? I can delete this branch and I can delete the fork because I don't need the fork. Where's the button? Oh, they moved the button. Type this to make sure you're sure. Haha. Control V. Ah, shit. Okay, but I think I only have one open source thing to do today, and I was planning to do it yesterday, so that we just did pre-commit.ci stuff today. But yeah, Move Fast started following you. Move Fast. What a great name. Oh, they work at Yelp. Fuck you on Yelp. Wait, what is this supposed to be? I don't even know what this shirt is. I never got that shirt. Must be a weird thing. Elementary school teachers have all agreed to have their students. Well, this was in middle school for me. Morsla, hello, hello. That's literally what I thought. Fuck you on Yelp. But anyway, let's do that one pull request, which is to pipe grade. It's kind of a big one. Find noun you are looking for. Yeah, probably. Okay, so this is to auto unquote annotations when this or 310 is available. So, I mean, a lot of code here. Replacement. I feel like this is done wrong. I'm actually going to view this in unified form because it works better on stream where it's not all crammed together. Warsaw says, yes, time to watch you code while procrastinating on my data workup. I feel so productive. Yeah, perfect, right? Okay, so we have these two helpers, which are function def and annotated assign. So this is shortcuts, supported version, 310 or annotations in future. Okay. Oh, that's not what I want to do. I immediately reach for Control W because that's what find is in Babby/Nano. Hey, how are you? Did you dream of regexes last night? I did not. I did dream about some of the other stuff that we talked about on stream though, which was not great, but I guess that's the way things go. But yeah, I did not dream of regular expressions. Placements equals replace string literal. Why doesn't this just yield from? This feels wrong. How's their dequote function work? Hey, what's up? Quiet and Paul Blossom, thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this is not right. This is not right. Because because oh, maybe it is. It's not wrong. But why bother keeping node around when you could just keep the offset around? And then you could just yield from. Twitch Simon M, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Box of Ninjas, thank you for the sub with Prime. Wait, am I the void in your life? Thank you for the resub with Prime at 5 months. Good to see you again. Hey, what's up, Paul Blossom? Hello, hello. Should you try the regex puzzle if you suck at regular expressions? So honestly, my video about regular expressions plus one other little thing, and you should be able to solve it. So that video plus learning about back references, and you should be able to solve the regex crossword. But yeah. Mr. Fortak, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I started saying regular when not talking about expressions. Oh no. I ruined you. I do say regex, yeah. Regular expressions. Watched it this morning. It was great. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. I actually think that's one of my better videos. Let's see if there's any other reason for this replacement class. Dot node. No, this code is literally the same. Has adder arg annotation. Why this way? Why is this a deck? What? There's no reason for that to be a deck, right? Because all it's done is extend and then iterate. This should just be a list. But let's see. Oh, I hate that you have to do it. You can't do the thing down. You can only do it up. I think you can eliminate replacement and get this to just yield from replace string literals annotation. This is very weird. The args always have. Whoa, what did I just do? I think I just alt-tabbed somehow. That was weird. Always have dot annotation, so you shouldn't need to get adder here. This instance, node est.stir, using both versions. Just do that for now. Reversed. Why reversed? This breaks for typing dot names or typing dot annotated foo bar. And so there are parts of those which are valid types that should be unquoted. Just not the whole thing. Also for names, tuple, and typed dict, those aren't what is the subscripts? Those aren't subscripts. Those will be false. Middle. Here's probably a useful tips case. Hey, what's up, Maurice? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Class C typed and class d typed dict e typed dict e. Let's see, is there a reason for this being a deck? Nodes? Replacement. It's gonna just be yield. There's no reason for this to be a deck. No reason for this to be a deck. It is only append to about the nodes. So we do pop, and I think it does pop and append. So there's also no reason for that to be a deck. No reason for this to be a deck either. Just has pop and append. There's no need for reverse here. It doesn't matter if the traversal is in order or not. The callbacks end up being called in the proper eventually. Okay. Kevin says, for some reason, I was using --output equals file name with G++ instead of just -o. Now I'm grabbing the man page and I don't see a single mention of the long form argument. Huh. I didn't. Weird. I mean, there's also literally a million fucking arguments in G++, so it doesn't surprise me. But that's weird. Huh. Belnata says the argparse video is one of the best videos. Yeah, that one's pretty good too. J. Carey says, what is the difference between yield and yield from? Do I have a video on yield from? Plans yield from. I don't. Oh, well, then I should probably do that. Video idea yield from. Since this yield from is kind of one of those real subtle, useful things, that I'm pretty sure I mentioned it in the generator video, but I don't know that I have a dedicated video for it. But anyway, so if you have a generator and you have like yield 1, yields 2, yield 3, and then print list gen. This is just normal yield. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, it works how you expect. If you have another generator, you could write, for thing in gen yield thing, and that would work. Let's say we did yield 4, and then yield after, and then did gen 2. Of course, we have a random parentheses for some reason. You'll see that you can yield the subgenerator. However, this syntax construct right here can be written just as yield from gen, and can make your code simpler. But yeah, that's what yield from is. It's a way to delegate to another iterable / generator. Hey, what's up, Clean Star? Hello. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? The answer said, I rewatched your C profile video today and improved my code to be 4x faster using it. Now the real slow code from yesterday is waiting to be improved. Nice. That's awesome. Rylith Ever, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. You mentioned it in the iterable generator thing. Oh, I see. Cool. But anyway, I think I'll probably do a dedicated video since it doesn't come up when you search. Gotta get that sweet SEO juice. Okay, back to this. I'll re-indent their function arguments later. I usually double indent these just so that they're not the same length or the same indent as these. I should really write a tool which automatically does it, but I haven't done that yet. But yeah. So what would be a use case for yield versus doing append stuff? I never made a generator in my life. I mean, sometimes you want lazy iteration, and serializing the whole object can be slower. Sometimes it'll be faster. I don't know. Depends. I don't know. There isn't really a great answer for it. It really depends on the situation. Um, but yeah. Literal name table, type text, annotated. Building this set like this is actually kind of slow. And then there's also, let's see. It's in MyPy extensions. Excuse me. Yeah, there's only these. Yeah, that'll be the day, J. Carey, when my SEO juice beats out W schools. Thank you for the reset, but tier 3 for 7 months. Damn. Thank you for your continued support. Appreciate it, J. Carey. Oops. Did I break the link by typoing? Huh, weird. You can just have a stray single quote on the end of that and it just works. We should probably handle these as well from MyPy extensions, even though they haven't made it into standard typing yet. I don't want to break people's code without an escape hatch. Which is also why I haven't implemented this yet. Hey, what's up, Senpos? Hello, hello. Good to see you. I'll watch your video on generators. I feel I don't make them because I fear them. They're not that complicated. They're a little bit brain think the first time, but they're not super complicated. I don't think this actually changes based on the version here. Not sure this actually tests anything. I think more useful tests would be, or actually, I think your test name here should be not Python 3.10. Instead, that's what you're actually testing in this case. Cool. 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 Yeah, seems fine. Stupid positional only arguments. ID equals tuple. There's only one case in here, so there's no reason for parameterize here. Probably not much of a need for parameterize here. There's only one case. Also, I'd stick to just testing what you intend to test here. Write down the argument list. So the ID here is bogus, so I just leave it out. Okay, anyway, here's a code review. That's out of the way. And I think the only other thing that's in my inbox is like a whole fuck ton of work for Dead Snakes. So I'm not going to work on that as well. But yeah, we're just talking about in the Programmers Discord about banning what's in my OPSEC, which apparently BG finally banned him. But everyone else, pretty much everyone else in there has banned him a long time ago. You can do bang W schools in DuckDuckGo to get the good stuff fast. Oh, I see. Interesting. Just look up coroutine C++. So much simpler. Oh no. Ken says I'm getting very similar error with shell check pi. Off screen first, just to be sure. File could not be opened successfully. What the fuck? That's so weird. So what happens if you go to... What happens if you go... I don't know if you plan to debug it now, but let me know if I can help. Yeah. So what happens if you go here and you download this Darwin x86 64.tar.xc? What happens if you download this file? And then you can checksum it. What is the checksum? Oh, do we not have a checksum? Is that the problem? No, we definitely have a checksum. Shell check pi / shell check pi. Pi. Darwin. Okay, so that's what we expect. SHA-226 shell check. So we should get that. So what happens if you do this, and then you do Python import tar file. Tar file dot tar file. Is tar file dot open? I don't know. Try both of them. Yeah, what happens if you do this? That's all this does. This is slightly different, but it shouldn't really matter. But yeah, that's essentially the same code that this does. Let's see, it's running for 22 hours and it's finished now. After speeding up the parsing in another code, I'm confident that's the point to start. The request costs money, so I need to get one large response and save it, and I hope that's enough to find the slow part. Oh, I see. J. Pratt says, is there a tool to convert from docstring typing to inline? I don't know of one. I don't know of one, but that is an interesting idea. Hey, what's up, Hamdi? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Memphs says, how many times a day does this big request need to be done? Or it needs to be done every X minutes / hours? Left by the speaker says, what happened with that person? With what's my OPSEC? They What did they say? So last year when there were fires in California, they were. I guess this wasn't even in my channel. This was in Juice's channel where I was moderating, and they were like, "How are the fires in California? Are they near you?" And Juice and I said, "Yeah, they're pretty close to us." And What's a Max said, "Good. I hope you die in them." It's like, well, goodbye. Is the open issue possibly max security? So this is like before it even gets to executing. This is just opening a tar file. I don't think there's any problems with opening a tar file. And honestly, it does this all in memory. So it shouldn't have even gotten to a point where that's a problem yet. So I don't know. But yeah. Peanut says, Anthrax code, how many words do you type per minute? On this keyboard, I can get up to about 120. This whole file won't execute because you download it from a non-approved source. Yeah, that is true. Like, you will have to disable signing for it or whatever. Although it should be a signed binary, so it shouldn't really matter. But yeah. Another new question, what are the checksums for? So, what I'm doing here is validating the integrity of this file. So I'm checking that I got the exact bytes that I expected to get. So because I pre-recorded this checksum at some date, and if somebody were to change this file, it would have a different checksum, and so I would get a file that I don't expect. It's kind of for for security, but also for sanity's sake. Ducky says, have you ever looked into other command line frameworks besides argparse like Typer or Click? I have used Click, but honestly, there's not really much point. Argparse works fine for what I need. I find Click to be a little bit annoying in some ways, and slower than I need to, and I need to add a bunch of dependencies for it. And if I can get away with 0 dependencies, much better. I've not worked with Typer. I don't remember what Typer is about. But if it's like one of those ones where it auto generates argparse from like a command or from like a function signature, those ones are almost always garbage. I don't like them. Or like, what is the docstring one? The docstring one's really bad too. I don't like that one either. I thought you were joking earlier about banning someone. No, really banned them. Shazawak, how's it going? Haven't seen you in a while. Hello. Why can't people be more like me and just be total assholes to themselves instead of to others, right? Have you ever built fun things with Raspberry Pi? I have not. I don't have a Raspberry Pi. However, I do have one fun little hardware project, which I'm meaning to work on more recently. I actually don't know if it works anymore because I haven't played with it in a while. Is it this one? No, that's the Github chip. This one? Yeah. Okay, so basically, I have this little microchip here, and it has some custom code on it. And what I can do is, how does this work? I think I need. Oh, let me put it on the dock now. This one. So I think what I need with this is on breadboard. Oh, that's super washed out. There we go. If I put it up higher, yeah. So if I stick it into the breadboard, I forget which position. I have where's the ones where it's broken? There we go. Kind of like break the breadboard so it goes in nicer. Put it on the breadboard. TX RX. So plug these pins in here. And then I'll get it to focus by putting it here. And then what other birds did I have? Here? No. Anyway, the long and short of it is I take this, I plug it into the bottom of my switch, and then I can hook this end up to a serial port on my computer, and then I can control my switch using code. And it works. I just haven't finished my project for it. I want to build a full, programmatic API for it, and hook it up to OBS so that I could read the screen and interact with it back and forth. and I don't know, write some cool software with it. But I haven't had time to work on it in a while. I guess it's not strictly true. I just haven't really felt like working on it in a while. But yeah, like the idea would be to get it so that Twitch chat could play my console, but like on a real console and not an emulator, which should be kind of cool. But yeah, haven't worked on it in a while. That's like kind of my only hardware projects that I've ever really done. I guess that's not true. I did one other hardware project. Um, where there's like student submission clickers that have like A through E on them. My friend and I wrote custom firmware for those and did some shenanigans. We wrote a custom firmware that would spam the answer C using 255 preset IDs, so it looked like 255 people just showed up to class and started voting. Also, we learned that the teacher clicker and the student clicker, the only difference between the two is the color of the plastic. And so through social engineering, I would like walk up to the teacher and small talk, pick up their device, read the serial number off the back, set it back down, and then I would flash the serial number to my clicker, and then I could control their slides or like open polls or like do all sorts of fuckery. Um, but yeah, those are the hardware projects that I've done. But yeah, they were pretty fun. Um, bum, 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 uses type annotations. It's built on top of Click. Interesting. Shedwick says, I'm finishing my first year of work, so I can get vacation. Nice. Congrats. I've got too many Raspberry Pis, to be honest. I've been slowly turning a chunk of them into a Kate's cluster. Huh. Interesting. Same error in the traceback. So it literally can't open the tar file? This might just be a bug in the tar file module. Bum, bum, bum. Why is this such a small issue number, but resolved in 3.9? Oh, and Python is compiled without zlib support. So your Python is missing zlib support. That answers it, though. This would be much better. Closing after years of inactivity. No, this should be fixed. Yeah, so that's the problem. I guess Googling the error message is shell check /shell check pi. Polar Junction! Thank you for the resub. You're one of the fancy Founders Badge subs. 5 months in a row and 8 total. Thank you for your continued support. And man, you've been around on the channel for a real long time. Appreciate seeing you again. Apparently this is just when you have poorly compiled Python missing zlib. So I'd recommend fixing your setup to make sure that zlib is available when building. This is again why I don't recommend PyEv. It's all too easy to break. Install. Anyway, there we go. That's so weird. That's so shitty. Should we fix that? Let's fix it, right? Oh, do you have time in his chat? Let's grab some time. Spent the first 5 years of my career doing PCB design and IoT firmware, so I'm finally hitting the point of wanting to get back into it as a hobby level. Oh, I see. Yeah, Twitch plays Pokemon, but in an actual console. That would be the idea. Recursive chat, hello, hello. Polar Junction, hello, hello. Anybody have a clue why this is an error? Oh shit! I just did save as. I don't want to do that. What is the error you are seeing, James Boyan? Unbound local error. Yes. So the problem is, you have probably done from something import patch. Wait. Oh, that's actually interesting. Koozie CS, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So unbound local error patch reference before assignment on this line. That is actually very weird. My only guess is that... Huh. Oh. Yeah, so what you've got here is... Oh, are you in 3.9 plus, maybe? Because this is invalid syntax, but... Actually don't know... It shouldn't run at all. I assume you're in 3.9. Actually, we can just read, right? Yeah, 3.9. So this is valid syntax. Huh. Yeah, this error looks wrong. I would have expected either... I would have expected some sort of name error, but yeah, it should be assigned here. It's weird. What happens if you put a breakpoint before this and look at locals? My guess is, or try PyTest with assertion rewriting off. I wonder if this is assertion rewriting doing weird fuckery. That's very strange. The only way that this could occur is somehow this both raises and doesn't raise, which I think is impossible. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. That's weird. Yo! Look who's back! Look who's back! Oh my god, it's been so long! Mindful Fox is here! I haven't seen you in forever! How are you doing? Thank you for the resub! 23 months! You're 1 month away from 2 years. 2 years of subdom. Oh my god. Everyone's here today. He's back! How have you been? Holy shit, dude. Let's see. Pyam. Yeah, Konik. Hello, hello. Good to see you. Dead Snake's PogChamp. Yeah, Dead Snakes doesn't have this problem. Ah, the old zlib issue. Yeah, Mac is screwed this way. Yep. Fucking zlib. But yeah, maybe we'll fix this. That seems like something fun to do. ASMR drop song. Yeah. You have to install the OS X code stack so it compiles in. Yeah. This is why I don't recommend Pyam. Well, I guess I gotta abandon my reliance on Pyam. I mean, if you're smart and do it right, Pyam's not bad, but it's really hard to get right is the problem. Compiling Python is hard. So what do you recommend as a replacement of Pyam? Because I use it, to be honest, but I'm quite a newbie. I mean, it's fine if you get it compiling properly, but it's tricky to get it compiling properly. But if you're on Linux, if you're on Ubuntu, I'd recommend Dead Snakes. But no, the with statement should be fine there. That should be fine. I mean, we can demo it as well. I want to see what Mindful Fox is talking about. We're gonna do this real quickly, so that I can catch up on chat and say hi to Mindful Fox. Pip install PyTest. No, I typoed. PyTest. Gotta go fast. Oh wait. We need to be in Python 3.9. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't have that many buttons, Mindful Fox. Holy shit. You broke. You gifted so many subs that you broke the Streamlabs overlay. Look what it has done. Oh man. Mindful Fox, thank you for the 20 gifted subs. I don't have 20 buttons, so you're just gonna get all of them. That's just the way things go. Holy crap. Okay, let's say everyone's name here. Do we have everyone here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, yeah, that ends it. Ducky, Mono, Ongenbra, Julian Berman at 5 months, New Vito, Fragment99 at 3 months, Robin Malfit at 2 months, Based Path at 3 months, Mantis, Version Lubdub W at 2 months, William HK at 2 months, Ezekiel. Oh man. Ezekiel, right? I don't fucking know. You told me yesterday, I've already forgotten. Super CB, Fly Milno Coatspen at 2 months, Broccoli Rob at 2 months, and Cheese, Zyzep at 2 months, Basher Zombie at 2 months, and Nick Muck at 1 month, and Hayden has resubbed for 10 months. Thank you for the resub, Hayden. Good to see you. Man, everyone, all of the, did Twitch send out like some hey founders show up again? Because we got Wendell Fox, we got Polar Junction, we've got Hayden, we got everyone here super early. But thank you for the gift subs. Man. All of the lurkers, yeah. It's true. Koozie CS said I'm doing okay, beating my head against the desk trying to figure out the script I'm trying to write. Oh, I see. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, dev test with pytest.raises base exception, and then ctx as patch. And then patch plus 1 equals 6. Did not raise. Okay, so let's do raise type error food. Yeah, that's weird. Very weird. The only thing I could imagine is from mock import patch. From unit-test.mock import patch. No, but even that works. Yeah, I don't know. Something weird's going on there. It wasn't in locals. So far behind on chat. Temp path RL completer. That's very weird. I don't know what's happening there. That doesn't make sense to me. My Fox says, hi dad, I've returned. Yes, I'm alright. How are you, Anthony? I'm doing well. Only use PyEnv if you are smart. Anthony does not use PyEnv. Exactly. I'm too dumb for PyEnv. CLI chat thing, had no idea that existed. Yeah, asterisk. If you want to check out my bot, you can do Bang Bot. Oh, it looks like JB Pratt got you. Right before the Mindful Fox sub bomb. Oh man. Unbutton, it's true. Oh yeah, Mindful Fox, have you seen the new sub badges? Of course you don't have a fancy sub badge because you have the fanciest sub badge. But you would have the black button if it weren't for the founder badge. And Hayden's here as well. There was a memo, didn't you get it, right? The gang's all back. It's true. You changed your color though, Mindful Fox. You're no longer blue. You've gone to the red side. Yeah, if you look at my, I think my bot has a, oh wait, my bot has a founder's badge too. I don't have the founder's badge, so you can see it on mine. Oh, where did my stream dashboard go? Oh, it's here, right? Oh, Prandish alone, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Anthony and catching up on his chat, name a more iconic duo. It's true. Hayden says, I'm coming to you live from my new M1 at MacBook Air. Where were you yesterday, Hayden? I needed you yesterday to debug some M1 stuff. You owe me buttons from last night too. I did. I gave you your button at the beginning of the stream, Grandpa's iPad. But now I have I have no buttons left to give. How do I get my own bang bot? Yeah, and a good bunk right there. Did you get it sorted eventually? Yeah, zlib. Which we're gonna try and fix this because this should be really easy to fix. Um, yeah, this should be pretty easy to fix. So we need to somehow compile Python wrong in order to debug this. Which actually I'm pretty good at doing that too. Docker run. Oh, how do we do that? Git pull. Oh wait, did they change from master to main yet? No, it's still on master. They're changing it soon though. Find two-way notes. Stringlib. What is stringlib? Oh, this is notes about the new on contains. Um, yeah, which is kind of cool. Had to custom install VIPS with Homebrew if that was the problem. I'm waiting for the next generation of M1 machines to buy it. Yeah, that's usually the best approach there is to wait for the second gen of them. This one says, well, the error went away after an error in another test got fixed. Sometimes people are like, I got this bug. I'm like, I'm really interested in this bug. That one sounds really fucking weird. I don't know what's going on there, but that's some weird shit. To be honest, I did this standard pyinf install 391 and it compiled this way. Yeah, pyinf doesn't check whether it successfully succeeds at building. It just is like, yeah, I mean, I produced something, so it's got to be good, right? Docker run rm ubuntu focal source bash. We need to install a bunch of stuff. Apt update. Guess we'll just do all of build essential and libssl and libfi. And we're gonna need make. I think that's part of we'll try that. We'll start with that. Successfully succeeds, right? Yeah. So the thing is, it successfully fails. Sounds like variable collision. Maybe I'll look for straws to grab. Yeah. Kind of weird. Kind of weird. Execution failed. Execution finished. Yeah. Hey, now you're back to blue, but it's a different blue, Mindful Fox. You were like the what was the? It was like an aqua color. I don't know, but that's a good blue too. It's the same blue I have. Brought to you by the Department of Redundancy Department, makers of the ATM machine, the pin number, the tuna fish, and other great inventions. I figure out the colors. It's all good. What have we changed since you were last here? Oh, so this is not new, I don't think. I feel like it was colorful last time. But what do I gotta show you? What is that thing called? Terminology? So we did this during a 12-hour stream. But if we stop the bot and restart the bot. All right, chat. Spam some emotes for me. Wow, no one's talking. What's going on? Emotes, chat. Look at these images in the terminal. So I guess that's a cool thing that we did since last time. Last time I've seen you. Jay Welly, how's it going? I'm sorry, I'm trying to figure out nested fold expressions. Oh no. Why aren't you using it? This terminal emulator is kind of annoying. Partially like it doesn't remember my preferences. Like you can see there's like this weird sunburst at the top. I can turn it off. There's like a preferences in here somewhere. Settings. Background. Yeah, I turned shine to 0. And then uncheck temporary. and then like it works, but then as soon as I restart it, it loses all that. So it's like kind of buggy there. Ranger Frax, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, it's I don't know, it's something. And then usually the bot will crash the first time. Oh, maybe it's working this time. But anyway, that's kind of a neat thing that has changed. No persistence, not like this. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay. Why did the tab complete not work? Oh. Hello? Hello? I guess it's copying a big directory, so it makes sense. I should probably install Git as well. Apt update and apt. I don't need apt update. Apt install Git. Probably CA certificates as well. Maybe it saves the settings in temp. Yeah, maybe. Just never close the terminal. Yeah, that's the easiest fix. Just keep your terminal open forever and ever. Oh, but I'm at the point where I'm supposed to fill up my water, so I've not been drinking fast enough. So I'm gonna go fill up my water, and I will be right back. Actually, let's run a build while that's happening. So I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Um, I see. You were trying out all the new commands there, Mindful Fox. Um, but yeah, Michaela is definitely the number one bonked. 100%. Sambo says, "Wait, I see the print size context managers in the 3.10 changelog, but it works in 3.9." Yeah, so this was a an Easter egg as part of the peg parser. Technically, you can turn off the peg parser, so it's not a full feature in 3.9, but it is available there. But yeah. Those reforms. Everyone has a no reply at companyname.com. Amazon has no reply, please, at amazon.com. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. What was I doing? Okay, good. zlib failed to build, so that's good. That means we can use this in trying to adjust the error message. Because we didn't get zlib. Johnny's, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. What do I want to do? We need to curl that archive. Here we go. I downloaded curl and then I was about to run wget. Out.tgz, this. File, out.tgz. I don't have file. That's fine. I do have SHA-256 I start with like BE something. Oh, that's not the right. That's not the right one. I probably need curl location. There we go. That looks better. Hey, what's up, Master Tech? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. But yeah, Mindflux, how's your puppy? So like that's the last time I talked to you was about your puppy. So I need to /python import tar file .tgz invalid header. That's even different than what I expected. This is the one that we know works, right? B0 SHA-256 .tgz. What am I doing? Shell check.tgz. Wait a second. It's supposed to be tarfile.open? Yeah. Oh, readline is broken. Out.tgz. Oh, cannot be opened successfully. Yeah, so we just get kind of a garbage error message there. Is this gonna work? There's no way that's gonna work. Oh, it did. Color me surprised. Where's it gonna put these packages, though? Why is it building CFFI from source? Oh, wheel's not installed. Okay. That was not what I expected. Bad interpreter. Yeah, that's what I expected. Make. You know what? We'll just do app install nano. As much as I hate to do it. It's Friday. Well, it no longer is Friday, but that's true. My iPad got working as a second monitor. Oh, that's cool. Liar, it's Saturday. Yeah. Who got spayed recently, but she's doing well right now. Wish she could stay a puppy forever. Right. So I didn't get a puppy. But Juicebox Hero has a puppy. This little adorable ball of fur. This is Tofu. Who's a little cutie. Little corgi, but yeah, that's a pupperoo. Let's see, do I have any posts? I think I took a few photos of tofu. Oh, there's so much in the animals channel in Discord though. Can't even find it at this point. Oh. Here's one. Why is the ball under the couch? Because you put it there, Tofu. Look at how much Tofu hates that the ball is under the couch. Tofu's so mad. She's like, why the fuck is the ball under the couch? Ananite, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I need to install. Yeah, the thing is, like, I'll fish it out from under the couch, and then she'll just like nose it back under there and be like, "Oh, how the ball got under the couch." Dig, dig, dig. Oh, silly Tofu. Oh, here's another one. This was when I was taking care of Tofu for a couple days. This is her like travel carrier, and like immediately after getting over to the house, she like jumped in the travel carrier and was like, "I want to go home. I'm done with this place." But yeah, Tofu. But then she warmed up and like didn't jump in the carrier for the rest of the time and had a good time. So I'm not doing M1 stuff, but it happened to be the same bug on M1, so we're fixing that. Dog stream when, right? Nice dumbbell set. Was that the one with the? Yeah, these real heavy 3 and 2 pounders. I use these when I go running, so I carry those while I run. I haven't been running in a while because for some reason, people in San Mateo, they're like, oh yeah, if I'm exercising outside, I don't need to wear a mask. So I've just been like, uh, avoid that one. But I do actually have another dumbbell set that's like right here off screen, which is actually good. What's the bug? So if you open up a valid tar file.open a tar.xz file, tar.xz, you get this garbage ass error message that says file could not be opened successfully. When it should be able to be opened, but it should really mention something about, you know, not knowing that zlib is there. Zlib. Yeah, like this is a nice error here, but we don't get that nicely normally. Version type is self.zlib equals zlib. This is the open function, right? Oh, right. Oh, the keyboard shortcuts, they're all different. Here it is. Okay. Note in that yeah, so this is the error message that we're getting here. Open meth. Open meth. What is open meth? Hmm. 3 pounds for a CS guy, not bad. You try running with 3 pounds in each hand. It's not that easy. Imagine not using Neovim instead of Nano. Open meth, open source amphetamines. Yeah. This is very weird. Let's see. So it should be going into XZ open. XZ open. But it doesn't. LZMA is a completely different module. Open math. Oh, so it doesn't. We're just gobbling these. We're just continually gobbling these error messages here. So I bet if I put print, just to see what this does. Oh, it's fucking tabs. Print E. So I bet if we do this now. Not a gzip file. Module is not available. Module is not available. Invalid header. Yeah. So these are the error messages that are helpful here. So maybe how do I search nano? Okay. Oh god, this is all sorts of different. This is usually my scroll up and scroll down keyword. Oh. I can't believe like Babby is so different now that I don't even realize what I've changed. So I think if we did something like this, errors equals this, and then errors dot append stir e. And nano doesn't have f strings for it. Should be comma space. I don't like that. Let's do better than this. Type e dot name. Well, maybe we can just do repr e. Repr e. Let's try that instead. I can't have a backslash in there. Error messages equals backend dot join. Or error and errors. Noob44, thank you for the resub at 3 months. Hello, hello. How's life with the noob job going? It's stressful. It's fine, but it's stressful. Ooh, I like this much better. I like this much better. I have like a sneaking suspicion that this is not going to be somehow not going to be allowable. Oops. This. I think it's supposed to be comp type. Comp type. Ober Thorell, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't know. What do you think about this? What does this look like? Oh, I'm so far behind in chat now. What happened here? Um, download the source code at openmeth.io. Yeah, downloading meth. The new Vim only for people that want to like create their own extensions of Vim. Whenever I read about it, it sounded worthless if you just use Vim as a text editor. The NeoVim is like a different implementation of Vim. Also, the main developer streams on Twitch. What is his name? Tej streams on Twitch. Tej DV, I think their handle is. Time for some with traceback. Mm. Problem is there's 4 tracebacks and it would just be like a lot of noise. I think this is probably better. I don't know. I like this. Javen says, why use Nano when you use NVim? Because NVim takes a long time to install. in here properly at the right version, that would be not shitty. And I don't really use Vim, so. Vim's perfectly fine, but if you want a bunch of new features, NeoVim would be your editor choice. Yeah, that makes sense. Dino's got a picture for me. I love it. The Semantic, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. That was good. Did you post it in the meme channel? I'll post it in this meme channel. Courtesy of... Are you in here? You are. I like it. I like it a lot. What traceback will work since they goblet? Yeah. Seems some sort of auto suggestions. I don't know. New job, congrats. Yeah, I am working at Stripe. Oh, I forgot to tell you about that. Yeah. Third week, just finished my third week on the Python infrastructure team. But yeah, he's editing something directly on a server. No, this is in a Docker container. So yeah, that's why it says root. That was too lazy to switch to a different user. Imagine using some awful bloated editor that isn't just add. Right. Could you gate it based on the file extension? So this is cpython. Cpython just tries every single one of them. And even in my case, I don't pass in a file extension, so it should just be going through every choice here. Yassine, hello. Good to see you. Package Babby for Ubuntu and include the theme in there, so apt install Babby can provide a fully functional editor with the VS Code theme. Would be pretty nice. Oh yeah, that would be kind of cool. I think did Swills package Babby already? How do I search Babby? Python Babby. Yeah, so it's packaged for BSD. 2 versions behind, but I could package it for Ubuntu. I don't know that I necessarily want to do that. But I could. It would work. Like how it's in the editor's suggestion. Oh, can I not search all of them? Oh, well, I wanted to see the other editors, but yeah. What does the Python infrastructure team do? Lay out all the pipes so the snakes can move freely? Yeah, pretty much. We maintain the build and other tooling for the repository where Python code lives. We're also currently joined with the Scala team because they also work in the same repository. It's a big monorepo mess, essentially. Bonatransante. Hello. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? I was real close to applying to Stripe last year, but had my current position sort of fall into my lap because I sent off my application. Ah, I see. Nice. I think it's only for FreeBSD. Yeah, that's the only packaging. Currently. I was working a lot with their API previous job, was really impressed with it, and their docs. Yeah, their API and docs are really, really nice. But I don't know. What do you think about this error message? Is this better? I guess we can look if there's tests. lib lib test tar talos. Are there really no tests for tar file? Oh, it'll be test tar file. Because they do this stupid naming, not the smart naming. Oops. I guess we can see if we break any tests. Lots of skip tests. So we didn't break any tests, but we also didn't fix any tests. We could monkey patch some stuff. What was that? Open math? Is that what it was? Math? Yeah. I mean, I could also switch to using gzopen to get the actual error message out. Parthena says, did you already acquire some Dogecoins? No, I don't have any cryptocurrency. Actually, I think I have $5 in Bitcoin or something stupid because Coinbase like just gave it away for free. Available cards, bank number stuff in particular for testing all the different areas and states was really unexpected but helpful. Yeah. Should fork Dogecoin and make a tofu coin. Oh no. Hey, what's up, J Phils? Hello, hello. Good to see you. New Babby color scheme? No, this is Nano. Because I was too lazy to make a virtual environment. I guess I could, but nah, it's not really worth it. So the tricky part is how do I test this? And they're gonna ask for a test. I already know. I already know. So we can. What is the error message? What is the error type? Read error. For gzip and bz2 tests, fail with a read error on an uncompressed file. This is an uncompressed file. Fail the read error on an uncompressed file. Oh, self-dump mode. Okay, I understand. Trying to see if there's a good place to detect a read test. No. Append. No. I'm trying to find a good place to put this in. Partial input. No. Empty. Oh, we've looped around. Fuck. Do they have a sample gzip file in here? Get ls files grep test grep gz xc. How do they test this? Grep tar. I guess we can make an xz file. How do we make an xz file? Tar make xz. CFJ. tar-cfj. Test tar.tar.xz. We tar dev null. Save JK. Why did I do that? Cannot stat no such file or directory. Hit K again. There we go. Yay. Yay. Okay. Then it says, all right, gotta drop into the think tank and do some Terraform Kubernetes stuff. Makes my brain hurt. Hopefully you have a good rest of the stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. I'll see you around. Sir works on my machine. Yeah. Yeah. Still 2021. It's true. Bitcoin hit 62K. Wait, really? I thought it like, oh, it tanked. Man, if you bought the dip, some decent gains there. Wild. Wild. CFJ if you don't do those. Yeah, but BSD is garbage. Don't use Don't use BSD. BSD is garbage. Don't tell Swills. I like the GNU options much better. Okay. Oh man, I made a file called J and JK in here. Hey, what's up, outdated version? Hello, hello. Good to see you. What is this test named? Common read test. Oh, it gets extended all over the place. I just need another test that's not used in other places. Tar test? No. Is there like a test? I guess we can just search for all the classes. One that doesn't have any inheritance. Misc read test base. No. Misc read test. No. Stream read test. No. No. Long name test. GNU read test. X read test. Write test. Base. Hard link test. Unicode test. Is there just like a MISC test that's not limits test? MISC test. Here we go. That's what we want. Yay! Okay. Def test useful. Error message when modules missing. With unit test.mock. GZ open. Side effect equals. Actually, is that what we got? What do we get? Oh, that's not what I want. We got XC. So we want to do XC. XC open. XC open. LZMA module is not available. File.open. Is that the right number, friends? No. With self.assert raises. I don't remember how their assert raises works. File.read error. This should be out here. Oops. Ah. Oh well, who cares? They don't care about line length either. Here's my patch, JK. Yeah. Aging Bones says integrated pre-commit in my project today. Nice. Glad that worked well for you. Class new test. Yeah. Still manually formatting code. Well, it's cpython, so they don't have manually formatted code. Juicebox Hero says, "Whoa, showing lots of skin today. It's true. Look who's back, Juicebox Hero. Look who's back. Look who showed up to the stream today. Yeah, Marvel Fox is here, right? Jenix says, hello, what are you building with Python? I'm actually working on Python itself right now. I'm trying to fix an annoying bug in Python. Right? Isn't that exciting, Juice? You know, we can actually do this here. You know, now Juice is trying to catch. I don't have any buttons left, Juice. Thank you for the gift subs. To Too Slow, Cover the Fishes at 2 months, Yandrick, Rimu at 2 months, Pitbull, Proton, Jesus Farted, David Syntax, JJMC, this Jon Snow, and Doescam. Thank you for the gift subs. Pants? I mean, I guess we can unbutton the pants. I don't know what that's gonna. I don't think that's gonna do anything for you, except if I forget when I stand up. Take back my rightful place on that leaderboard. Hey, what's up, Andreas X? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. How about yourself? When did Twitch become Chatterbait? Wait, was it not? Dark file xz open side effect equals error. Whatever. Outdated version has resubbed 5 months in a run 9 total. Thank you for the resub, outdated version. Appreciate that. What's the bug you're trying to fix in Python? It is issue 8978. Oh, and we've triggered the hype train. Grab his iPad. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs to Legifrey, Kin of the Flames, OD1233, Uday at 2 months, and Ditwoo. Thank you as well for the gift subs. Oh, we're already to level 5. We haven't completed level 5, but we're already to level 5. Oh no. Oh no. Mindful Fox. Oh boy. Oh boy. With 20 more gift subs, bringing us to 340% on level 5. Null ref check at 2 months. Icarus. Keyroll, 2 eyes at 2 months. Elvin MCQ. Iswalin. Jean-Marc Dev. F. Florenza. Hey Hugo. Tight Shiki. Hockey Walkie. Or is it Cakey Wakey? I don't know. Momi Jamal at 4 months. Noma Roma. Christopher Ritz. Pazba. Kaite. CP Codier. Sebastian, 2 months. Metal XG. Right. Roshan the Immortal. Welcome to Subdom, and thank you for those 20 gift subs, Mindful Fox. You are too kind. Too kind. And from that by the speaker. Thank you for the bits. Yay, some scams. And scam train to the boot. Thank you as well for more bits. Always a or ordle. Always a yordle. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Yeah, there's been a lot of subs to stream. It's been a lot of subs to stream. Mindful Fox flexing that thick wallet. Yeah. Oh. 347% on the Skype train. The hype train. Skype train. Do you get paid to give subs now? Yeah. More than half the stream must be subs? Yeah, probably. Maybe. Hey, what's up, Stiggs? Hello. Good to see you. Okay. Oh, I didn't even do this right. Does this work? Oh, interesting. I don't have the zlib headers outside either. Ref layer is not defined. Apparently it is unit test unmock. Already imported. So we'll do that. I wish I could just run my one test. I could probably do it -K. Jaholo! Thank you for the resub. It's 6 months. That gets you a fancy new badge, Jaholo. Appreciate your continued support. Jalacy, thank you for the follow. Welcome. look at your chat rank there, my fuck. Oh. Did you miss the drop song? You did miss the drop song, unfortunately. JJMC, thank you for the bits. Appreciate that. I did get a haircut, indeed. Have you seen Chat Plot, Mindful Fox? We can rerun just for you. We can rerun the drop song. But we have a new chat plot, which, I mean, It's to be expected, but it looks better for others. Like I'm feeding someone. Looks like my perf. Oof. Oof. Glazy says, howdy, I'm new here. Lol that graph. Yeah, let's who else do we want to do? Bell Dothis. Oh, speak great if I could spell. Stigs! Thank you for the sub. 6 months of subdom. That gets you a fancy new badge. Stigs was taken. Appreciate that. Chat plot. Oh yeah, I think front left by the speakers it's upwards, right? Yeah, there we go. Level 5 hype train emote. Which should put into a chat plot command. Hype potion. Cool. Thank you all for your support. I really appreciate that. Wat dot message wat dot exception. Yeah, there we go. Stir wat dot exception. I gotta book what a scam, right? Oh man. No Rom, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, the localized choo choo message from Jaholo. Nice. Did somebody summon me? Yeah, we were just checking out chat plot. We were just checking out chat plot. But yeah. Oh, right. We're gonna re-trigger the drop song. What is it called? Is it this one? Is this the drop song? I gotta jump into the middle and see if that's what it is. Come on. It's buffering. No. Oh yeah, this is the drop song. Yeah, okay, we'll start it over. Okay. Drop song chat. Here we go. For Mindful Fox. Noam says, Println, hello there. We're gonna do the BG impression. Okay. But we expect to see this in the output. To the moon. Test tar file as wet. And stir show dot exception. Still hasn't caught up on notifications yet. What is that? Oh, I see. Emotes. Reading the emotes out loud. Such notifications, yes. Much wow. A certified banger, yeah, it's a real good one. Oh, I need this is on PyTest. I can't do nice things. I need self dot assert in? Is that what it is? This should fail. Yeah. And then if we take this and apply it into here. Should pass, in theory. Andreas X says, doing great, thanks. Finally solved a problem on advent code, which I've been struggling on for 5 days. Nice. Awesome. Oh, the message got lost in the hype train. Yeah. My bad. My bad. Alright. Here comes chat. Here comes the drop. You scale up the workers, the queue is getting too big, message age is going through the roof. It's true, the endless server. No such file. Oh, fuck. Web test tar.exe. We need to copy that to this colon work glib test. Sick. BPO 8978. 8978. Git apply. And paste. Oh, and then we gotta do this stupid changelog shit too. If install blurb. Ethan's here. Hello, Ethan. Good to see you. For some reason my Rust code is slower than identical Python code. Oh no. Python greater than Rust confirmed. BPO 8978. That 4-digit bug. 8978. And this should be in library. Prove error message for. Is it funk? Two brackets? Oh god, I hate RST so much. Is it meth? Funk? When LZMA slash are unavailable by Anthony Sotilli. Is that how these work? Git log dash p dash dash author Sotilli. Wait. Dash p dash author equals a Sotilli. Patch by Anthony Sotilli. PR by Anthony Sotilli. By Anthony Sotilli. By Anthony Sotilli. By Anthony Sotilli. These are so inconsistent. Patch by Anthony Sotilli. I think this is the correct way. Miss News Next Library 2021-03. Let's see, improve. Our file dot open error message when LZMA / basic2 are missing. I check out the branch I did. Cool. Cool. Git push a Sotilli head. Here we go. Python fixing an issue in Python itself. It's true. It's true. It's true. Markdown greater than RST. Yeah, I really fucking hate Markdown. Or I really fucking hate RST. Actually, I really like Markdown. Novino Gaxtoso says, so when you need to create a program with a graphical interface, do you still use Python? Not usually. BPO 8978. It needs to be in brackets? No? No, brackets is for backports. Oh, fuck. No. God damn it. I didn't mean to do that. No one will ever know. We will just append it away. You saw nothing. Okay. Surely someone will complain about this, but fuck it. Man, hopefully someone reviews it, because honestly, sometimes these go years, literal years before somebody reviews them. Like, if we look at my open ones, I have this one from 2017, this one from, oh, this one's only a year old. Um, this one from June, this one from June. One of these is approved, it just hasn't been merged. Probably conflicting now. No, it doesn't conflict. Approved by a core dev, even. But nope, can't have nice things, I guess. She still had nudges Anthony's head around, yeah. Hey, TBD Gamer, thank you for the raid. Welcome to the stream, Raiders. What were you working on today, TBD Gamer? TBD. There we go. Were you working on games? OMG Force Push. Yeah, I Force Push all the time. Tiago says, "What's your words per minute?" It's probably like 120 p.m. That is spot on. That's about where I top out on this keyboard. On my other keyboard, I can get up to 130 though, which is real pogs. Corile, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Afternoon all. How's all things? Speaking of flexing our speeds, JB Pratt has redeemed Type Racer. So we haven't done one of these in a while. I'm actually not logged in. So I got to log in via the password manager. Type Racer. My password is Control V. Lol. All right, so if you don't know how this works, I'm going to share a link in chat, which if I can remember how to find the link, and you can all join. We're going to do 2 rounds. And I have to fix the link because Twitch's linkifier is broken. There we go. So make sure to click join if you're going to play the race. We're learning about GraphQL for .NET called Hot Chocolate. That's a cool name. Okay, but yes, make sure you join, and we'll see how this goes. That's off screen. No. Ah! I feel like that was really fast. 117. That was pretty good. Who's 130? Michaela? Michaela zooming in at 130. 17 was pretty good. It's pretty good. Fox says I got smoked. Are you the 107, Mindful Fox? Alright, we're gonna do one more round. One more round. Third. 107's still pretty speedy. You might beat me the next round. 107's pretty good. The second loser. James Wayne says, "What's the best practice here?" I will open that after this round of Type Racer. Oh, and then I guess I'll introduce myself for the Raiders as well. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python stuff. I do a lot of open source programming. Some of the things that I maintain that you might have heard of are like PyTest or Flake8 or PyFlakes or Talks or pre-commit. Basically, I build a lot of infrastructure for Python stuff. That one was real short. 151. Damn. 114 was pretty good. But anyway, thank you for redeeming that. And today what we're working on is a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I just worked on making a pull request to Python itself to improve error messages here. Which should have pinged this issue. Yeah. Added me as a watcher. Oh, that's why I got an email. So you can delete that. Let's see. 10fastfingers.com. That sounds like something I'm gonna open off screen. Okay, it is actually a typing thing. Got it. Okay. You never know with a name like 10 Fast Fingers. Oh god, what the fuck is this? No. Okay, how do I make it go away? Allow selection. Okay. I mean, I don't use all 10 fingers. Is that gonna be a problem? Feet. Okay, anyway, there we go. that was something, I guess. Um, ever seen Wreckful Rip play Typewriter Man used to hit 180? Wow. Wow. I've just been working on my chat project for today. Good night. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's like Penn Island, yeah. You still had nothing. Got him. It's true. It's true. Those aren't even sentences. Yeah, that was why it was kind of weird. Senpai says, I recently saw your tweet from February that you were going to chat with the Debian / Ubuntu packaging folks. How did it go? Did you discuss virtualenv? I did indeed. And they are going to fix virtualenv for the next LTS release, so it won't be fucked up. But yeah, they were like, yeah, we realized we goofed on that. But it should be fixed, so that's gonna get fixed. Yeah, should be good. I clipped it to see it. You were 119. Ah, yes, I was 119, which is pretty good. Johnzer SC, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I feel like I'm a little bit better about sentences than other stuff, but yeah. Any hooser. Okay, so we did this. Oh, I have another email. Another code sample for my YouTube videos. You're actually gonna catch up pretty soon on these because I have been releasing fewer of them. But also you're doing 2 a day, and I at most was doing 1 a day. Sentences are way easier to do. You have to parse each word instead of like chunking sentences. Yeah, exactly. Yes, when I was doing Easter eggs, I still need to finish those because there's 2 or 3 more that I haven't done. Hey, what's up, Exonity? Hello. Assertion order dictionaries. This was a good video. And then re-implementing it using normal code. Nice. Looks good. Ship it. Yeah! Good old kitty shippets. James says, wait, did I miss anything looking at it? Yeah, the 10 fast fingers? Yeah, I did it. Oh, you looking at your thing. No, I haven't looked at your thing yet. Send me the link again. I missed it. This one. Okay. Refactor. Func args. Union, bool, list stir, none. I tend to do this form. personally, because then I get a test failure, and in theory a runtime error. But I would actually probably do this and then comma first refactor, just so you see the actual value there. Which I guess will tell you that it's either true or false, so it's maybe not that useful, but still kind of useful. I don't really like to use cast myself. I find that cast is kind of a cop-out, or like working around a bug instead of unpacking a union. But yeah, that's my thoughts there. Sorry I missed that, James Boyan. Caught up to it though. J. Gary says, whenever I read my old Python code, I feel like such a noob. Yeah, same. What's the top 5 chatters command again? I think it's top 10 chat. Yeah, there you go. Top 10 chat. You're still in 4th. You're very close to 3rd. Jeez. Implement grep. Yeah. Is bang help a way to DDoS Anthony's chat? It's true. It's true. It does spam quite a lot. Did you know the Twitch logo blinks if you hover over in the top left? Yeah, it does, which is kind of neat. Oh yeah, how's your chat pod doing, Ethan? Oh, almost exactly flat. Can't really tell whether it's up or it might be exactly flat. Good graph there. In general, you pretty much never need cast in Python. Yeah. Joey Prink, thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. How are you doing today, Joey? What were you working on? I guess I should introduce myself. Well, I've got you. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python stuff. I maintain a lot of important open source libraries, things that you might have heard of: PyTest, Tox, Flake8, pre-commit, PyFlakes, Dead Snakes, LimpSas Python, PyUpgrade. I don't know, a few of the things that I maintain. And today I'm kind of working on miscellaneous stuff. We just did a patch to Python itself. I'm hoping that this can improve the error message in the tar file module when some things are missing. Basically tell you that there's a compression error. But yeah, did some open source reviews a little bit earlier. But welcome. Podvista says keyboard. Yes, this is the Kinesis Freestyle Pro. Florenza, hello. Flatline, yeah, exactly. But I think now, what am I gonna work on now? Because I'm out of open source stuff to do. I guess we could work on pre-commit.ci, which was the other thing that I wanted to work on today. And I guess I can do a little intro to what pre-commit.ci is about. So pre-commit.ci is a CI system based around the Python framework that I wrote called pre-commit, which I guess isn't really a Python framework. It just happens to be written in Python, but works for managing a bunch of different programming languages tools for Git hooks and linters and code formatters and that sort of thing. The main idea is you set up a configuration file which lists the tools that you want to run at whatever versions, and it can be, checkers, it can be fixers, it can be code formatters, it can be all sorts of different things. And it knows how to integrate with Git hooks. This part's kind of optional. The cool part is it knows how to install all of those tools and then run them against files in your repository. And what pre-commit.ci is it's a CI system that is based around that. And so it basically runs that tool continuously against pull requests and your default branch. And it can do really cool things like auto-fix your pull request if you have mistakes. It's much faster than the other comparable free CI systems. It has, good caching, and it can auto-update those versions in its file. So we're really working on some of that today. Juice says, spreadsheet. What is this spreadsheet? Oh no. Spreadsheet titled Best Girl. With chatter and messages and estimated words per message and words per minute, and then minutes spent chatting. Oh my goodness. 1,200 minutes spent chatting. Spent typing into chat. Um, uh, Andreas says upgrading my PC tomorrow to a Ryzen 5 5600. Oh, nice, cool. Hey, what's up, Jatoho? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Michaela's still best girl, juice beat fry. Oh, no. Shazorga says hello again, Chad. Wait, Chad? Who's Chad? It's a trap. Yeah. Don't comment. Why are there only 2 girls? Is Bang GF dead now? No, it still works. Still works. Rip Juice Box Hero. Yeah, what if you got, I don't know, let's say, oh, I can't edit it. Wait, who's the anonymous Nyan Cat? Um, yeah, Bang GF is an Easter egg. It's a sneaky command. There's some other sneaky commands too. Like, I don't have a Mindful Fox command. I don't think I do. But there's a Kevin's Joburg command. Bang SSN, yeah. Who else has a command? Does I satisfied have a command? I satisfied. Yeah, keep spending the money that Kevin's Joburg doesn't have. But yeah, that's pre-commit.ci. And it works. I'm using it in all of my repositories. There's actually quite a few people that are using it as well. ES Dynamo DB describe table name res profile prod. It has done almost 33,000 runs to date. And how many orgs are installed? 165 installed organizations. Oh, that reminds me. I wanted to check on whether it has been approved on the store yet. It was not approved last I checked on Monday. Let's see. Settings. Developer settings. So I'm showing this off screen because it shows credentials. GitHub apps. Again. Marketplace. Not been published. Under review. Will notify you via email. So, still not on the marketplace yet, but it will be soon. And then in theory, I can make some small change off of it, and hopefully have it pay for itself. Bonk is basically Michaela's command. Yeah, that's true. That's true. If you do bonk with no arguments, you get there. I guess there's the hidden dick sword command. I don't know what level up does. No, it's a good one. It's a good one. So it was my favorite GIF from the Pokemon Go era, where you had to just throw candies. Stuff a Pokemon full of candies. But yeah, did you just say dick sword? Yeah, it's my common typo of Discord. So I've just started saying dick sword instead. AGBone says, if I'm forced to use actions, is there a way to mimic pre-commit.ci? Yeah, there is a pre-commit GitHub action. It's not very good, and it doesn't do all of the things that pre-commit.ci does, partially because there isn't a safe way to do it in GitHub Actions. Which, if you want to learn more about how you don't want to do it, what did I title that video? I think if I just do explain scam, it's the right video. Yeah, there we go. So be careful with how you're using GitHub Actions, as I go over in that video. But yeah, you can use this action. It mostly works. It's not very good though, and I'm not going to be adding features to it. So if there's something that you run into that doesn't work, or that you want a feature for it, I'm just not going to add features. So, yeah. But I don't know. Try out pre-commit.ci. It's pretty cool. But yeah, there's probably something I can work on in there that we can fit into stream for today. Let's see, to do. Gotta do this one offline. I think I want to do this one because this one actually has started affecting me as well. So if I go to pre-commit.ci and I log in, Github takes a while to redirect here. So Ken Stroyce, my buddy, has started using pre-commit.ci as well. However, this is his own personal account. So I guess he's just enabled every repository that he has, which I guess is fine. But the problem is there's this manage link here, and even if I log in, even if I log in here, I don't have permission to access another user's account, so this will just 404. So I shouldn't be displaying this for other user accounts that are not my user account. So I hope I have enough information to do this in the app. If not, we might need to do some fancy backfilling there. But yeah. As he said, somebody wants to reorganize those tabs. Okay, we'll fix the tabs here. Why did that one glitch out? And wow, that was super laggy. I must have paged out the tab. Okay, there. Are you happier now? Will that work? The video counts on your YouTube videos are off by one. Wait. What? Are they off? Oh no. What do you mean they're off by one? So there is a 0th video. Is that what you mean? Look at the playlist. 257. That number's right. Hello and welcome to another video. Yeah. I think that's because the 0th video is numbered 1. Let me go up to the beginning. Shush. Yeah, it's because the first video is 000. And when I first made the playlist, they didn't have numbers in this column here, so those numbers are new. But I'm not gonna fix it at this point. Who dat cutie? Right. Prowlcar says, I consider myself an advanced beginner in Python. What repo would you recommend to try and contribute to? Literally any. Any repository is going to have something that you can contribute to at whatever level you're working at. Yeah. So find a repository. My recommendation, in fact, explains getting started. Open source. Yeah, there we go. That video is my recommendation for how to get started in open source, and literally, it's whatever project you use, there will be something that you can work on. Can't find the any repository. Yeah. Yeah. What the hell is a repo? Oh, repo is short for repository, which I use interchangeably. A thing that I say a lot on my stream is repo, because especially in pre-commit.ci, there's a lot of mappings where I map the word repo to the value repo. Oh. Not there though. Probably here though. Yeah, like repo. Repo. Yeah, like this. So for whatever reason, I say that a lot. But I think we're gonna try and do this thing today. We can also look at this maybe as well. Also, I suddenly got hungry, but only 2 hours into the stream, and I wanted to get something done in pre-commit.ci today. My goal is to check off at least one of these things every Saturday stream, and then eventually it'll be slightly closer to being done. It'll never be done because it's just how these things work. Okay, do we have enough data? Oh, please have install type. Fuck. We don't have install type, so we are going to have to backfill. Oh, that's annoying. That is annoying. Shoot. Is that a long cat behind you? Oh, this is Noodle. Noodle is a very, very long boy. I guess I can grab noodle. um, but yes, noodle is a very long and cuddly boy. Um, who is a plushie, a noodly plushie. That's noodle. Um, noodle can hang out there. Speed dating is useless. 5 minutes is not enough to properly explain the benefits of Unix philosophy. Noodle. How many O's does Noodle have? I quite a few. Um, oh, is Noodle a she? I don't know. What is Noodle's gender? Juice is Noodle gendered? Is Noodle gender neutral? Neutral Noodle. Um, Google worth of zeros of O's. Noodle is non-binary. TIL Noodle. Non-binary Noodle. Um, I guess that's true. Like plushies don't have to be gendered. Um, although I'm pretty sure I refer to Noodle as a he. But Jonik says, "What would be your recommendation for the best image extractor Python module for PDF documents?" Oh man, I just got like terrible flashbacks from working with PDFs. Honestly, they're all bad. I've never found one that I thought was good. But I also haven't worked with PDFs in like 8 years because I've tried to avoid them like the plague. I'm kind of surprised that I don't have the account type in here, which is kind of unfortunate. Do you name class methods as creates or from what you create them? It's almost like the answer's on screen. Even Adobe doesn't know how to handle a PDF spec. Yeah, it doesn't surprise me. Yeah, so this is annoying. Install put. Oh. Oh, this sucks. This really sucks. How am I gonna do this? So I need to add the field but not read it. I also need to know what it looks like in the response. Sample requests. Payload installation create org. Type. So we do get that from the account type. I could have sworn we used to have this value. No, I guess not. Oh, you know what it was? We used to have this HTML URL. Or one of these HTML URLs. And that was this HTML URL. We used to have this, but this URL is just garbage, so I don't use it anymore. In general, lils, yeah, the fact that it's on screen is why I asked. Oh, I see. At least it's not from meth, right? The surprise on the PDF reader and Brave browser look different today. It's been mostly working the same for a while. Tofu met a corgi that was exactly her size, and they wrestled for an hour. I'm trusting you on this one here. Oh my goodness, they are the same size. Why do they look almost exact? Are they twins? Are they the same place? Where's this other Korg from? Are they from the same Korg farm? Wait, why can I not tell which one's tofu? This one on top is tofu, right? Right? I'm an idiot and didn't think to ask. That would have been like literally the first thing to ask. It seems very likely that they are related. Because they look the same. They said he was 6 months and Tofu was literally 6 months yesterday. Yeah, man. It seems like they could be the same pupper. Did you get the right pupper back? Yeah. Same litter, maybe. Yeah, I mean, it seems likely. Uriel said, "Did you finish the Regex beehive?" I did indeed. We got it. We got it working. They acted like they knew each other, so maybe. Yeah, you'll have to find the owner and ask again. Cause seems pretty likely. Seems pretty likely. We were watching illegal hardcore dogfight. uh, okay, so this is actually kind of annoying. So how do I do this safely? I need to introduce the field, then backfill the field. So I need to have the field and write it, but not. Okay, so I think I need. We need account type, Twister or none. And then we can do account type equals dict account type dict dot get to do backfill account type. And then I think I should just be able to run mypy and it'll tell me where things are wrong. MyPy all files. Missing in the tests. Test install is superset of session install. And type equals. I actually don't know what the other value is. User. So it's either user or organization. Look, I say incest is incest. Oh no. It normally takes time for her to warm up to other dogs, but this dog was immediately wrestling. I see. I'm tired of my VM freezing every time I lock Windows. Burial says, I've never seen anyone inherit from name tuple. What does it do? So this is the typing name tuple. This is the typing name tuple. So what it does is it builds a name tuple class based on this. Yeah, it's like kind of like data classes, but not really, like Alexa says. Yeah, 100%. And web handler 458. Okay, so this is where we have to get account type equals data installation account type. For installation created. We need to figure out where session install gets created from as well. Git grep-l session install. From dict. Oh, from dict install dict. Okay, cool. Oh, wait. This is not the, Where do you come from, session install? API list installations. Oh, here we go. Ah, fuck. Session install is the one that actually needs that that account type as well. So we gotta. We've gotta. How's this get over? I think I kind of want to backfill both of them at the same time. Gleazy says, "I spent babbies for this emote. Worth it. Nice, nice. You got the Python, the best one. Getting late in here. Thanks for today. See you next time. Well, thank you for stopping by, Karan. Appreciate you stopping by and debugging the M1 stuff as well. Morphu Say Star says, "How old are you? How old do you think I am, Morphu? What do you think my age is?" Jacket Bandcast, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. Let me give you a shout out so that my viewers can check out your channel as well. How are you doing today? 30. You're very close, Morphu. You're very, very close. I'm not quite 30. What's my age again, right? It's okay, you're still the best girl according to Juice's analysis. Okay, so the problem is, I think session install also needs account type. So... because that's the one that actually matters here. Which makes this very tricky. Because I think that changes the shape of the type. Account type equals, so this will be optional. To do backfill, or just log everyone out? Question mark? That's actually the easiest way to backfill this one. Because it's not persistent data. Dix.get count type. Okay, so we at least write these as dictionaries, so it should be able to retrieve them cleanly. Session install account type equals install account type. Unexpected keyword argument account type for session install. Oh, I typoed. What does MyPy say? It's MyPy's happy. So, time to throw away the juice figurine on your desk and custom order one for Michaela. Yeah, imagine if I had a figurine of you. That'd be kind of nuts. Also a trap abort. Also known as a jigurine. Jigurine. It's 2021 allowed. I see. Fabricio Almeida, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. What was I doing? I was being concerned. That's what I was doing. Oh, that's print. Results dev. We're just gonna deploy this to dev because my local setup is currently kind of messed up. Why did it open this page? Okay, that was what I expected to see. Okay, so this is the old version. This is not a private tab. That's why it went there. That was weird. Okay, this makes more sense. Use Tilly 2 to log in with my password, which is Control V. James Boyan says, "What happened?" Oh yeah, I felt like it was too cringe, so I stopped saying it. Watching the 2019 streams, wow. Joel says, have fun with pre-commit.ci. Catch you later. Well, thank you for stopping by, Joel. Always good to see you. Jig Gamer Bathwater. Okay, so we're logged in here. What is this whip branch? I think I already integrated this, right? Thank you for the bits, Juice Box Hero. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Have you looked into Starlit? If so, what's your opinion on it? I have not done Starlit yet. I've heard good things about it, but I have not tried it myself. Try miss the old Anthony. Yeah, yeah. That's some OG. That's some OG remembrance there. Love the leaf blower background noise in the last one I watched. Yeah, I've improved my sound quality a lot since then. I think that's the thing. Sound quality and lighting, I think, are the things that have improved the most since I used to stream back then. Those streams, I'm like super washed out. I miss 4 days a week stream. Only getting to simp once a week is hard for me. Yeah, I miss streaming 4 days a week too. I really do. I miss it a lot. Okay. We already implemented that. Git branch -d whip. So we can make this our whip branch. And account type. We both install text. So we're going to deploy this and try a few things. We're going to make sure that we're still logged in. First off, that's our first test here. But still the crappy headphones. It's true. It's true. Kind of looks like Django's dying, or is this a false impression? I think Django's still kicking. It's still I think it's still the most used, but I don't know. Urkepji, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Michaela's doubling down. Geez, Seth, I had to expend simp energy on True and Jordy this week. It was not satisfying. Jordy simping sounds exhausting. Yeah. It ain't the same about Pythony. Pythony, right? I didn't actually deploy properly. Scripts land to deploy and deploy. So that'll get us to our development environment. Jordy, Vape Juice Jordan. Vape Juice Jordan. That's who we're referring to as Jordy. From the Vape Nation, right? How does he do the wrist flip? I guess if you get higher, it works better. nice shout out there, Somerset. What do you think about Fast API? I also have not worked with Fast API yet, so I'll withhold that opinion until I've properly worked with it and can form a real opinion. Oh, I do have an incognito window here. It did open. I must have really fucking confused myself. I don't really know what happened there. Okay, but I should still be logged in. Okay, and if I log out and log back in, I should be logged in. Okay, and if I click on it install, that works too. Okay, so I think that is safe to deploy. I should run the tests. Play tests. Yep. So that, I guess we should check it in Amazon as well. Man, the AWS console has been a real fucking pain in the ass to log into recently. For some reason, they added these annoying ass captchas that I'm really bad at answering properly. CBQDW3? Nope. I guess I'm a robot, chat. FXA6. Oh, and then I gotta find my phone. paste. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, it's there. Okay. Oh, I have a missed call. Do you think it's somebody having sex again? It's a 40-second voicemail. Do you want to listen to a 40-second voicemail chat? Watch this dox me though. I'll listen to it first. Oh yeah, this definitely doxes me. Okay, so we're not. It is actually for me. I actually do want to listen to that voicemail. So we're not gonna play that one. Um, this one. Oh my god, this is such a crazy MFA token. I'm getting another phone call right now. Oh, that token expired. And I know you can see my keyboard, so I'm just doing it off screen to make it slightly slower for you to see my token. Decline. Anyway. NSA Hacker says, hi, Coding Daddy. How's it going, NSA Hacker? Welcome back. Simcheck PokeW. Yeah, right. Anthong doesn't have my number. I do have your number saved in my phone. I know you were calling me, Juice. Do you want to talk on stream? Is that what you want? Let's go. Another round of captchas. Yeah, captcha party. It's at least it's not first enter the password then captcha. That's what it is if you get it wrong. If you get the MFA token wrong, it makes you do that loop again, and then you get stuck forever. Okay, but I wanted to look in Dynamo. Dynamo. Best color runner-up feels bad, man. I hate that not this whole thing is clickable. All right, Hoblays, sessions. Oh wait. Oh yeah, no, that's right. Items. There should just be one session. And this token's encrypted, so I don't care that you can see it. This is entirely why I encrypted this value, was just so that Twitch can't see the actual token value from seeing that. I do want to look at this field. Installs. Okay, why do you not have... Oh, you do have an account type. Sick! Okay, that works. Cool. Recent calls is considered same contact? Yeah, that's how it works, right, chat? Oh my god, I'm super behind on drinking water today. I think I'm supposed to have taken my second break by now, but it started at the 3-hour mark. Okay, I'm gonna go fill my water. I will be right back. Don't forget to let the water out. What is that supposed to mean, Michaela? Why is there a toilet cat? Autumn Tinkle. Oh my goodness, that's a interesting interesting emote name there. Okay, but yeah, this looks good. So let us push this up. So that's the first step. Get it writing the new values. Then the second step is backfill the old values. Well, I guess I should check all the other tables it read installs, make sure that they're not doing it in a dumb way. Pre-commit.ci. There would be... I guess I can just do all... and just look who's referencing those two tables. I should have done the full deploy first. Well, let's do this first. All repos grep installs in Python files. Okay, so, oh, more than I expected. Okay. Jamerica and Seiyukai X, thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Auto updater periodic. Okay, so it doesn't actually care about account ID and account name, I don't think, here. But it does read them all for some reason. Why do you read them all? Data, let's see, handler. Hey, what's up, Mop? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, because I guess we feed along here. Probably because it's needed for... We actually don't use account ID. So we could remove that there. Okay, but this one doesn't care about that, so that's fine. Update. Install. What do you do? Why do you have account name in here? Oh, because they could have renamed their account. That's why it's in there. That makes sense. Oh, I wonder what happens if you convert a user account to an organization. I don't want to think about what happens there. I'll just pretend that that doesn't happen. If somebody ever does that, I can manually fix it for them. NSA Hacker says, how do you save GitHub info in Ubuntu terminal? It keeps asking me to enter password. Yeah, use an SH key and then add that to your keychain. This is the dumb NSA. Okay, so I think, yeah, assuming you don't care about account types changing, I think you can convert a user account to an organization. I wonder what that looks like on the UPI. I'll leave myself a note. Just be like, oh yeah, I was thinking about this at some point. Pre-commit.ci, no to do. What happens when an account converts to an org or vice versa? I don't know how to spell vice versa, or the opposite. Creating a class for a file class. Creating an instance for a file class and a file from class? I don't know. Did everyone just start converting your user accounts to organizations while using pre-commit just to break Anthony? Please no. Please no. Okay, but I think this one is fine. Don't care about anything there either. Update session. We're literally just getting the install IDs out of these, so we don't care about any of the other values in there. Cool. Why do we even retrieve them? Oh, to get the private repo IDs. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. All right, cool. So we don't care about it anywhere else. Pre-commit.ci web. AWC meltdown. Is this my brain wrinkle? Yeah, face. That's pretty good. The class method for file class is named from path when you call it to create a file from a file class. From path makes sense to me. Kind of fail says, how do you manage to work so much? Man, when I see your GitHub commits. Yeah, I don't know, man. I have bad bad hobby boundaries, I guess. Okay, let's deploy this. Lambda build, lambda deploy. We already deployed it to staging, but I'm going to do it again. Lambda deploy, and yeah, we're yeeting it straight to prod, but we already validated on the staging environment. Work-life balance 0. It's not that I do work. I don't do work off work. I fucked up the deploy commands. Oh, we dropped frames. Was that from this? Which command did I fuck up? Just the prod one? Yeah, just the prod one. Only because life looks a lot like work. Yeah. Yeah. At previous companies, I would do work outside of work hours, which, yeah, I did have some problems with balance there, but I've gotten better about it. Okay, so now we need to, we've done step 1, which is write the new values for newly created things. Now we need to do step 2, which is backfill the old values. So let's find our last backfill script. Git show this script slash this. Script slash backfill install account type. Okay, so we need to be AWS. We're going to scan the installs. And if accounts type in install, continue. What is your hash key? What is your hash key? Oh, and we have an index. Oh, this is for querying. Yeah. That makes sense. What is your hash key? This, I think. I guess I can look at the table's definition for that. Installs hash key, this thing. Hash key equals that. Are you good at calculus? I was at one point in time, Danny boy. I haven't really exercised that part of my brain in quite a long time. I was much better at derivatives than integrals. Then again, I think derivatives are much easier than integrals. I really liked calculus. I haven't done it in so long. Forgot I had this open. To be honest, every time you start a type racer, open up a notepad and type the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog a few times. Mindful fox says you're sweaty. uh, and then somersault with the self bonk. Nice. Pre-race stretching. I've never used calculus after calculus. I've used calculus a total of one time. And I can show you that one time. It was to make this thing, which you see that nice little gradual stop there? That's the only calculus I have used since calculus. Um, was to make this a nice curve. Oh, and to make these bounce nicely. It's a lot smoother than it looks on film though. Like actually looking at the screen, it's a little bit smoother. It does look a little bit choppy in OBS, so I assume it looks a little choppy for you. But every derivative is calculable, but not every integral. And integral is. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Integrals are the pain of my existence. Pretty sure at every lecture of any class, there's at least 2 integrals. Schwarzschild says, Ignorance Code, did you think of making a video about your work ethic? How you switch between Windows/terminals by keyboard or your shortcuts? You mean like how I switch stuff around or like how I think about things? I haven't thought about doing that. I feel like that's like kind of a pretty meta video. I do want to do one about my like setup stuff, but yeah, this is I wrote this in 2010. So this was before carousels were cool. Maybe a workflow? Yeah, I could probably do some workflow stuff. I do have a bunch of videos about like various workflow things. Oh, I just noticed a little teeny bug with it. See how this stops nicely with a little bit of space here? It doesn't stop nicely on the left-hand side. But again, like this was a couple hundred lines of code, if that. It's using jQuery. It's probably using like jQuery 1.3 or something shitty. $.jQuery. How do you get the version? I could have sworn it was $.jQuery. How do you know the version? Fucking hell. I guess I could view source. 1.6. And I think I updated that at some point. I get the feeling that anthistily.com is pretty out of date. Yeah. I have not updated this in a while. Chat really loves this page with this photo. I don't know why. I don't know why chat would love me.jpg. But it seems to be everyone's favorite photo. The classic, yeah. How would you handle if a file gets renamed and it would collide with another one? You have 2 choices. It's either error or interactively prompt or overwrite. I guess that's 3 choices. I'm good at counting. It depends. Depends on the situation. Like if it's an important file, then prompt, or error. Prompt or error. Error is the most cautious approach. I find prompting to be really annoying. So I think I err on the side of erroring. Okay, but if account type isn't installed, we are going to continue. We're going to sleep for 0.5, 0.6 seconds. If dry run would have added out type or the hash key, adding count type, and then we need to actually figure it out. So we have a git installation. Git current user, git commit, git repo, install ID from name. You can get a user's installations. Oh, it's gonna be shitty if I can't get access token. Might have to use an access token to do this. Let's see. GitHub API installs. There's music files getting renamed, so if two are the same, I think it would overwrite. But probably won't error since the program runs 1,000 or 100 files at once, so not so nice if it errors on one file. Yeah, it's true. Check if it exists before writing? Yeah, that'd be an idea. Installations API. I want retrieve by ID. I can retrieve by font name though, right? Except this is ugly. For whatever reason, they made this two separate APIs, so you have to, eat an error on one of them. List repositories accessible to the app installation. That's not what we want. Revoke an access token. No. List. User token. No. User token. Is there like a listing over the top? Yeah, here we go. Authenticated app. No. List installs. Get an installation for the authenticated app. Enables an authenticated GitHub app to find an installation's information using the install ID. The installation's account type, target type will either be organization or user account, depending on. Okay, so we want to use this API endpoint. Use a JWT. From web.github API import. From web, import GitHub API. Let's get the install ID from you. Which is this number. Unauthorized. Oh, why is there a random PP in here? Cool. So from that, we can get account type. Sweet. There's also target type. We're going to use account type because that's what we use elsewhere. Okay. So we can use that. But that means I need to do weird credential juggling too. Get account type from install ID, install int to stir. Resp equals this. And this is just a one-off script, so we're just going to put this in line. Burn resp.json and type. So in theory, get the account type from install ID. If we take that install ID, web import GitHub API. Sick. Okay, that works. We recommend any page challenges to improve skills in Python. I mean, from beginner to intermediate, I feel like I could use it as a project. I would learn a lot. I recommend just building a project, something that you want to see, and you'll be more motivated to work on it. Heckin' error on line 69. Nice, Michaela. I feel like I should skip considering they might be different and I don't want to lose files. Yeah, that might be another approach. Short Shot says, do you recommend any... Oh, I already answered that. Yeah. Yeah, my recommendation is like find some project that you personally want to see done and like implement that and learn as you implement something. I find that that's the best way to learn. Because you'll be self-motivated to learn the necessary things to build something for yourself. Okay. But we've got that. So account type equals get account type from install. I guess I'll install this and then use install ID. Type. Okay, and then we need to do updates equals to installs hash key count type. Okay, I think that looks good. And I usually commit these just so that I can look at them later, like we did earlier. And script to, and it'll run the winters and stuff. Backfill account type to installs. I think for sessions, I'm just going to log everyone out. Repo is not fine. This should be install. That's again why we run the linters. Whoops. I have an idea, but sometimes I feel I won't use all money things to implement. What do you mean? What do you mean by all money? Finished following files or skip. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Yeah, decision paralysis. Okay, so let's run this in dev. Scripts.backfill install account type. So we're gonna dry run. That should error for that. Pre-commit.ci those AWS. Would have added account type to that one. Okay. Let's remove dry run. So in theory, if we go to installs and account type user. Okay, so that works. So now I got to do it for prod. Prod is more complicated because I need to juggle tokens. So AWS profile equals prod dry run. Should spit out a whole fuck ton of things. Let me check the capacity on that table. 2 and 2. Maybe we'll set our sleep to a full second then. Well, 0.6. Actually, it makes a request in between, so 0.6 is probably fine. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't bring the site down. Oh yeah, it's gonna take a while in between because it has to do GitHub API stuff. can probably log into this and look at it as it goes. I hate that they got rid of the login button there. Oh, motherfucker. My face when testing a prod? No, we ran a dry run in dev. I mean, there's not testing a prod. I'm doing this in the right order. I just want to look at it. God fucking damn it. Either put the wrong password in, or I used the wrong MFA token. We'll try this again. Danny boy, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Captchas again. These are all bad. Motherfuck. I'll just use the console instead. Yeah, or I just won't log in. Real fucking pain in the ass. Why the root user? Yeah, I know. I need to set up proper IAM roles. Because I'm lazy. It's... yeah. I know, I shouldn't use the root user. But it works. It's two-factored, so it's like not a huge deal. And like, if I wasn't using the root user, I would just add another super user, which would be not any different. So Terraform makes it easy. It does and it doesn't. It makes it easy to add users, but like, they would just be God users also. And then I would need to copy the credentials out somehow, and I don't have a good way to do that right now. Hey, what's up, Godwell? Hello, hello. But yeah, we ran it on dev first, and it worked. We looked at the account type here. This is dev. Apparently prod's done now. I'm gonna run it again with dry run, and so it should print out nothing here. Yep, cool. Put the creds back in place so that works. And yeah, I need to do better credential management as well. But I haven't done that yet. Can I just make it use secret store directly? Probably. Although I wanted it to be... okay. That's backfill done. Use AWS Vault. I'm just using Secrets Manager, whatever it's called. I have no reason to switch. It works fine. The actual creds in this local directory down here, these are so that I can run a development environment. So like I have a bunch of local databases if I want to run it completely offline. So that's what this is for. But I also use it to do backfills because it's convenient there. Oh, actually, now that I think about it, I didn't actually need to move these because I was setting the environment to AWS, so it was reading the real creds. So that little juggle there was completely unnecessary. Now I think about it. GCP's IAM stuff is great UX wise. I mean, it's good in AWS as well. It's just like I don't think I need it at the moment. But as soon as like I am not the only person working on this project, then absolutely I will set up proper users and permissions and all that shit. But I'm the only one that ever touches this, so it doesn't really matter. You know, kind of a rule of 2 sort of deal. I realize it's rule of 3, but yeah, no reason to lock myself down. Essentially, that would be, more work. Got a pull request here. Avoid it being treated as Ruby code. Huh. Gem file. What does a gem file.lock look like? Gem file lock. Just get an example over here. Here's one. Yeah, it's like a weird YAML format. What is this highlighted as? It kind of looks a little bit like Ruby, but it's really not. Fox says, gonna sign off now. Was good seeing you again. Yeah, good to see you as well. Anthony writes God. Yeah. Have a good one. Thank you for stopping by, Mindful Fox. Always good to see you. Glazy, good to see you as well. Unless you're saying goodnight to Mindful Fox. It's not nighttime. It's not nighttime for Mindful Fox, unless they've moved. Does this run in order? I forget whether this runs in order or not. Because I have a sneaking suspicion that this actually doesn't change things. Can you add a quick test case demonstrating this? I want to make sure it doesn't regress. Feature, especially as this is kind of a special case. But otherwise, it looks fine. Interesting. I didn't even think about that. The song is weird for the playlist. The one that just played? I mean, we hear it almost every stream. So maybe a little bit. It does have some words in it. So I guess that's kind of different. Oh, you're saying goodnight. Oh, I see. I understand. My database is faster on my machine in a Docker container than on the production server. Oh no. Oh no. That's never a good sign. Okay, so in theory, we have backfilled all of the data now. I kind of want to verify that. I'm gonna try and log into AWS over here on my other screen in my other browser, because it might just be Chrome fucking me up. I just tried to password fill on a CAPTCHA. Oh, I also got the CAPTCHA wrong. God damn it. Fuck you, Amazon. Piece of shit. Oh my god, I got it wrong again? What the fuck? I've gotten 4 CAPTCHAs wrong in a row. EXNC. Okay, that one's apparently right. Jesus. Two-factor. Okay, that one works fine. Okay, so we're gonna use this for a sec. Dynamo. Table installs. I kind of want to see if we made a blip in the metrics. Hell yeah. We sure did. This actually went much higher than I expected, so I'm glad that I didn't sleep shorter than 600 milliseconds. A blip in the metric, is that like a glitch in the matrix? Kind of. But yeah, if we look at items, we should see a user and organization in all of the rows, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Totally not robots. That's a great name. But yeah, now we can see the type here. Sick. Okay, cool. Put you back over here. Don't need you anymore. All right, so that means that we can. Oh, I wanted to log everyone out. Yeah, let me do that. There's 20 people logged in right now, so I'm gonna log these people out here. We're just going to delete. Yes, we logged everyone out. Just because I want to change the data shape, and that's the easiest way to do it. I should do it here as well in dev sessions. Oh, I can just click log out. There's no logout button up here yet. I need to fix that. Log out. So now there should be no sessions. Cool. Cool. Okay, so what do I want to do next? So this can now be bracket access, and this is now no longer optional. Yeah, we logged everyone out. This is also no longer optional. Okay, so that should give us access to our data now. And so we can now use this to render that link properly, I think. So there's two places that the manage link shows up. It's either on index or install. If show edit. This installation is currently suspended. I see. Zero sim suspended works. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm surprised that we didn't get errors for the suspended ones. It's usually those 404. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened there. Okay, we have a boolean show edit on this page, so we can do that there. In the handler. Chu King, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Actually, this is no longer true because the data types are completely different. So we can actually get rid of that. We do actually want to filter this down. Based on if they are a user. So let's do this one first. Yeah. And we can fix the homepage 1 second. We can do this 2 separate patches. this is hard coded GitHub. I need to change it at some point. At least the URLs will support it, but yeah. Godwoe says, how long did it take you to get used to the split keyboard? I got it out of the box and was immediately typing 97 words per minute on it. So almost 0. I did have a few things, like I crossed over for Y's on a standard keyboard, and so I had to adjust for that, but yeah. Guess says, should I just use strings in this tokenizer lecture scanner thingy? I'm working on trying to be all like performant and trying to figure out C-style strings with all these char stars. Yeah, just use strings. Doing raw string manipulation is a fucking pain in the ass. Like, you could do stuff with stir-toke and like remember the length and the pointers and yeah, but you're just gonna, I mean, as soon as you deal with C style strings, you're just gonna make bugs and because it's hard. It's like almost impossible to get that correct. That's why there's all sorts of vulnerabilities in C code. It's if inst accounts equals organization or install ID account ID equals sessions dot I think this is going to be an error. MyPy should warn me about this because I think this is null. Yeah, I forgot an equal sign here. I should complain. Session of optional session has no attribute account ID. None of optional session has no attribute account ID. Yeah, so that's this here. I think we can do this logic better though. I think we can leave this alone. Show edit equals that. Anthony erases code. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Welcome to the stream, Destro Camille. Yeah, we can do this and install repos. Install repos dot install. Oh wait, dot count type equals organization or sessions.github is not none and sessions.github.account ID is equal to install repos.repo.install.account. Seems a little bit complicated. Bum, 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 bum. I can finish this thing, I'm gonna send it to you so you can review it and make me cry. Oh no. I mean, teach me and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, let's see. Install ID is in GitHub install IDs, and the installs account type is an organization, or the user is logged in and their logged in account ID is equal to the installs account ID. Actually, do I have this? Man, I hope I have that. Session user ID. Oh, I do have account ID. Wait, user ID. Wait. User ID. User ID. See what MyPy has to say. Okay, MyPy is happy with that. Let's try that. I don't have tests for this. I'll add tests. Don't show edit link on installs on not my user installs. I'm actually not going to be able to verify this in dev. Build, deploy, throw that up to dev. Okay, so log in again to this. How wide can the freestyle go? Let's see. This is, oh, you see all the dust on my desk? This is as wide as it can go. About, it's kind of limited on this chord here. I assume that you could put some custom chord there if you want to do hardware mods on it, but I don't. So, okay, it's still showing, so that's good. Bitchin', how's it going? Guys, please, I'm going insane. Been debugging this seg fault for over a week. Over a week? With GDB, or how are you doing it? Von Dutchy says, is that a grinder in the middle? If you do bang blue thing, you can learn more about this. It is a fidget toy. Not a grinder, but it's pretty cool. If you do, yeah, you blue thing. But yeah, it spins for a very, very long time. You can see it here. Spinning for a long time. Oh, and the thing above it is a little keyboard. If you do keyboard 3, you can learn about that one. Okay. Did I commit? Yeah, I did. Okay, so let's make sure that this still works on prod. So this page should still load. Oh, right, I logged everyone out. Okay, and this page should no longer have an edit link. Nice. And this page should have an edit link. Nice. Okay, cool. So we have fixed it in one place. Now we gotta fix it here as well. GBS, code compiles runs fine on GC9, but seg faults with GC10 unless it's not compile undefined. Yeah, it sounds like undefined behavior, as Ethan typing said. Valgrind might be a good choice. It could also be a bug in GC10. Compilers have bugs sometimes, so that's certainly a thing. Okay, git push origin head. All right, so we did it down there. Now we need to do it on the homepage. UB is undefined behavior. Yeah, it's a long stream today, Michaela. We're almost there. I'm also running out of steam, so I'm hoping that this is easy. Web templates index. So basically what I need to do is say like if GitHub user we should always have a GitHub user here. So if install dot editable GitHub user dot user ID. And we can write a quick test for this. Data session. And we can do editable self user ID int to pool. Let's do that. Test session test editable. If organization session install equals session install. Count name equals my org. Count type equals organization. Suspended equals false. Oh wait. That's all that's in session install. Assert session install dot editable 1, 2, 3. Should be false right now, so we can fix that by saying return self.account type equals organization. And now we need to improve that test. A little bit of TDD here. That test not editable if not my user. Session install equals session install. So we need to make a failing test here. Well, let's make a passing test, I guess. Count name. What's my user? Count type equals user. Assert not. This should already be passing. Oops. Because man, I make that typo so often. I put 3 S's in session for some reason. Yeah, so that's passing already. Because user is not equal to organization. So this is maybe not the best TDD. Test editable if my user. That should be failing. Should be failing. Okay, return this or user ID equals self.account. Actually, that probably fits up a line. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, you're so close to fitting, but you're not. Damn. Hey, what's up? A Tefateller. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing fine. I'm totally going to bed as soon as you finish. I see. Well, fsanitize equals undefined fix it. It might find it. Or it might tell you what the undefined behavior is at runtime, maybe. I've been doing a lot more TDD. It's made me feel so much more in control of the shit I write. It's saying, yeah, TDD is great. Cheese Lover says, what is TDD? Yeah, it's called test-driven development. It is a approach for writing code based on a test suite that passes and then fails after implementation. Kind of guides you down into a happy place of minimal code with the proper tests. Nate Fisher, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Tefateller says, good job on the pronunciation. You hit it on the head. I don't know if I got it right the second time, but cool. TDD is thinking about problems. Yes. Juice says, gotta go. Have a good rest of the stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you, as always. Okay, but I think this is good. Let's see, only show edit link on homepage if editable. J. Pratt says, do you have any thoughts on the snippet I posted the other day? Fictitious class or none to none? I would probably, wow, 2 space indents? I would probably do this. This will make MyPy the happiest. Oh, is not none? This is technically going to be more performant, but MyPy is going to be mad at you here. So I would do this, personally. Honey says, how do you like your keyboard? Is it worth the money? So technically I got this keyboard for free because it's sponsored by Kinesis. Is it worth the money? So I don't struggle with ergonomic issues myself, so I would probably say no because I am okay and happy with a normal keyboard. But it is a really cool keyboard. I do really like using it. But yeah. My team is going hard on the first one and doing it everywhere. So the thing is, this will be more performant. Yeah, so in places where like it really, really matters, this is going to be slightly more performant. Actually, I don't know that it matters. Because an is check should be about the same as the try setup bytecode. So they might actually be the same performance. DL says you're still streaming. Did you decide to do 12-hour stream for 9% off? No. No, I'm just like very close to getting this feature done. I think I'm right at the end though. I think this works. This script or this code works. Lambda build deploy. Hoping this works. Of course, I won't really know in dev because it's not a problem in dev. It's only a problem in prod. So we'll be yellowing this a little bit. Hey, what's up, Milky? How's it going? Yeah, we got some gift subs today. It's true. How you doing? Yeah, quite a lot of gift subs today because Mindful Fox is back. Cool. So this link is still there, so that looks good. Now we yeet it to prod. It's not exactly eating. Like it did have to. This had to have run all the new code that I wrote, so I'm fairly confident in this. Cool. So now we don't have a link there. Nice. Nice. Sick. Cool. And that checks off a to-do list item. Don't show manage link for other users' installs. Perfect. Perfect. Cheese Lover, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And you know what? I think that's a good stopping point for today. Right at the 4-hour mark. It's quite a long stream today. We got a lot done. Sounds good. But let me do my little spiel, and then we'll go find someone to raid. But thank you all for stopping by today. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that is youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. where you can find previous streams as well as educational videos that I try and upload daily, although I have not had time to record a lot recently, so these are a little bit more sparse at the moment. But yeah, subscribe on YouTube. Double Jar, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Yes, follow on Twitch as well. That's true as well. I currently normally only stream on Saturdays, but I will stream occasionally throughout the week. And I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is Twitter, so twitter.com/codewithanthony. A little bit different than my Twitch channel, because I didn't want to be Anthony Writes COD, because Twitch has a handle limit. But yeah, I basically say I'm in a stream, and then it happens. So follow on Twitter, join the Discord. Thank you all for stopping by. And I'll see you around in the future. Let's go find someone to rate.